Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I'm gonna show you how to cook a Angus beef sirloin steak in the air fryer oven. Okay, Angus beef. That's pretty. That's a really good choice of beets. Not beets. Oh my goodness, beef. Okay. Because it's better than the other types of beef. It comes from a more tender cut. Okay, so I paid $9.40 for the steak. Here's the steak here. Let me let you get a view. Okay. Alright, so that is definitely gonna have to feed a family of 4 because we're on the high end of our meal today, right? Alright, so I'm going to adjust the camera, we're going to season it up, and we're going to get started, okay? Great. So here we go. So we're going to put some garlic, ground garlic on it. We're going to do both sides, just so you know. Black pepper. I'm almost out of black pepper. I'm going to have to get some. And some adobo. No, my adobo has cumin in it. Cumin is really good. Okay, so we're going to turn it over. Do the other side. Same process. Adobo. Black pepper. And ground garlic. Now, seasoning is your choice. You can use mine or you can use whatever kind you want, and you can put on as much as you want. Okay, so I'm going to put it in on the rack. I think I want to bring the rack out so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to put it on the rack. Okay, it fits on there. There we go. See? Okay, so I'm going to put this in. And I'm putting it on the second notch from the bottom, so it's closer to the heating element. Okay. Now, let's set the timer. I think I want to cook this steak relatively on high. Okay. So let's go with 400. Alright, and let's go to start with 20 minutes. Okay, and we'll be back in 20. Thank you. Okay, so our steak stopped. Let's see what's going on. Get a pot holder. Let's take it out. Let me show you. That's what it's looking like, okay? It's dripping all over the place now. I shouldn't have did that. But I had to show you. Okay, I have my thermometer. We're going to stick it right through the middle. See what's going on. Okay, it's only on 140, so I'm going to turn it over and we're going to put that back in a few minutes. So remember, we started with 20 minutes on 400. So I'm turning it over. I'm going to put that back in for, let's say we're going to put it in for 10 minutes. That should do it. That'll give us 30 minutes. It's a large steak. Okay, it's back in. Clean this up. Gotta clean the floor now. I did a drip. Okay, on 400. And and for 10 minutes. Off we go. Back in 10. Okay, so we have, let's see, 5 minutes left. I want to check it, because I don't want it to cook past 160, okay? You should cook your steak to 160 to be safe, but you know, if you want it rare, you can go 145. It's up to you. But if you're cooking for the family or everybody, a safe zone is 160. So let's see what we got here. Just want to show you. Okay. And let me get my thermometer. Cut it off, back on, right through the middle. We're past 156. Let's see if we're going to get there. Okay, we're at 160. We are done. Okay. Cut that off. Okay, I want to plate it up. Okay, so let's get a picture of this. How about that, huh? Look at that. Angus beef sirloin steak. And I get a picture with me in it. Good job, right? Air fryer oven for 25 minutes total. We started with 20. I set it for another 10, but we didn't get to the 10. I stopped it at 5. So 25 minutes total for the Angus beef sirloin steak. All right, I'm going to take a taste. Let me take a taste right here. I want to show you the middle. See that? Okay. And this is on an end piece, so that's pretty good. So the middle would be a little more pinker, but not much. Okay, just so you'll know. Alright, I'm going to take a taste. I'm going to blow it because it's hot. Tender. Angus beef is very tender. Oh, very, very tasty. Thumbs up on this one. Okay, I'm going to finish chewing this and then I'm going to give you the word of the day, okay? Okay, let me give you the word of the day. It's hard getting along with an angry person. Very, very hard. I'm not saying it's impossible. I'm saying it's extremely hard. Because nothing you do can really please them. The anger is within them. So you have to have a lot of patience. You have to have a lot of endurance to get through it. And sometimes you can't get through it. Sometimes you have to just walk away okay, and let God handle that. Because when you've done all that you could possibly do, what else can you do? Right? You can't take that anger on, because then it destroys you. You have to let God handle that. Pray. Pray that God help that person. Pray that they go and get help. Okay? It's hard to get along with an angry person. And what does that do to you? Well, it really brings you down. Makes you depressed. It makes you feel like you can't solve the problem. And you can't, because you're not them. Only thing you can do is be there to give a helping hand if they want it. And if you can deal with the situation. Okay? So, in essence, all you can do is pray and ask God to help. Okay? And when they're ready for your help, without bringing you down, you can be there for them. Okay? Because you can't give up on nobody. But what you can do is make sure in the process that you are still a whole person. That you are not going through something mentally behind dealing with an angry person. And that you are able to, if necessary, step out the situation and let God handle it. Okay, so that's the word of the day. Please continue to share the video. Sharing the video enables other people to see the video. It helps my YouTube channel. And you all, by the way, have done a wonderful job sharing the videos. Please continue to do so, because you may need to see the recipe, and someone else may need to see the recipe, or someone may need to hear the word. Okay, because we all need encouragement. We all need food for thought, and we all need a way in and out of the problems, life, and success. Okay? And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I'd love to have you. Okay, and this is Grandma Ray Don't Play. I'm Rachel, and you have a wonderful day. Thanks.